Hey guys, this is Lauren with SolarPanelStore.com, and we wanted to just do a quick unboxing video of this little Goal Zero Flip 30 rechargeable battery. This is a really handy little battery for recharging cell phones, tablets, basically anything that you can power with USB, you can recharge with this guy. So let's take a quick look at what comes with the package. Inside the box we have a small Goal Zero user guide, and we also have a micro USB adapter cable. The battery, as you can see, is nice and small, easy to fit in your pocket, lightweight, holds about 30 watt-hours of energy when it's fully charged. One of the cool things about checking the charge level on this is you actually just go ahead and press down on this little USB adapter here. On the reverse side, you get your charge level. Single USB input on the Flip 30 charger. And we're charging. It's basically as simple as that. I'll include a link to this product on our website below. All Goal Zero products do ship for free, and we've got good stock of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.